I used alcohol in this dish, as you know. Now, for years, I've always been taught that alcohol will burn off, evaporate very quickly. But I found out after doing some research on this that that's not necessarily the case. It's kind of an old wives' tales, and people have started to find out that a lot more alcohol gets retained than people thought. So, if you or someone you know has an aversion to alcohol for religious reasons or for health reasons, or you know somebody that's on a sobriety trail or something like that, you may not want to use alcohol to get your peach flavor. There's lots of other ways to get peach flavor. There's peach flavor this, peach flavor that, preserves, actual peaches, peach juice, anything. That was something that I found out doing this recipe. Right up until I started doing prep and reading about this recipe in particular, I thought that alcohol burns off pretty quickly. I think the number was 172 degrees alcohol evaporates. But again, studies have been done to show that more alcohol is retained than people once thought. It depends a lot on how you're doing it, how long it's cooking, how high temperatures and stuff like that. But it's just something to be aware of, especially if you're cooking for other people who may or may not want alcohol for religious reasons or health reasons.